parents wonder why their child, despite years in an English medium school, still struggles to speak English confidently. The truth is, fluency isn't just about attending classes. Many parents wonder why their child, despite years in an English medium school, still struggles to speak English confidently. A great way to help your child improve their fluency is to create opportunities for real conversations. Start with simple dialogues at home, like discussing their favorite hobbies or talking about what they learned in school. Another powerful tool is to expose them to real-life English scenarios, such as watching English language TV shows or reading books together. These immersive experiences will help them pick up language cues that aren't taught in the classroom. In my free course, I will show you more strategies to create an immersive English speaking environment for your child.